morning and welcome to Titan TV. I'm Courtney Redmond.
I'm Thomas Schiffman. Today's top stories start now.
Titan Theater Club will be hosting auditions in the Black Box Room located in Building 2F during lunch and after school tomorrow from 3 to 4 p.m. If you have any questions, please see Miss Robertson in room 2F 112.
Homecoming tickets are currently on sale for an early bird price of $25 in the Student Activities Office in 2B 110. You must have a current student ID and no outstanding obligations to purchase a ticket. The dance will be on Saturday, September 29th from 7 to 11 p.m. in the gym. Prices will increase on September 15th to $35.
Titans homecoming themed t-shirts and class color t-shirts will be on pre-sale this week for $10 each during lunch in the SGA headquarters room located in the cafeteria. You must pay when you order. Teachers, please email Ms. McCann if you would like to purchase a shirt. We will not order extra shirts. You must order during this time only.
Attention to all 10th grade students and teachers. Mark your calendars for the PSAT that will be offered on October 10th here in 2018.
Juniors, are you interested in qualifying for a National Merit Scholarship? Juniors that would like to request to take the PSAT may sign up in the Activities Office. The deadline for juniors to order a PSAT is August 30th, 2018. The cost is $16, which can be paid directly in the Activities Office 2B 110. When signing up, the deadline to sign up is next Thursday, August 30th, 2018.
Homecoming royalty packets and dodgeball team applications can be picked up at the SGA headquarters today after school or the second half of lunch tomorrow, as well as during lunch for the rest of the week.
Reminder, Powder Puff forms and fees are due this Friday, August 31st.
Cheer Clinic for transfer students starts today after school at 3:30 to 5:30 p.m. and Wednesday, August 29th from 2:30 to 4:30 p.m. Tryouts will be Friday, August 31st at 5 o'clock p.m. Any questions, please feel free to email Coach Sanchez at uhscheercoachjessica@gmail.com.
Book Club will be holding their first meeting on Wednesday, August 29th during the first half of lunch in the East Wing of the Media Center.
Juniors, don't forget to order your class rings. Herff Jones representatives will be here to take your class ring order on Wednesday, August 29th, 5:30 p.m. to 7:30 p.m. in the lecture hall, and Saturday, September 1st, from 10 to 12 in the lecture hall.
Seniors, the ACT is coming to UHS. Are you ready? ACT reading prep classes will begin on Wednesday, August 29th and meet in Miss Drysdale's room 1A200 every Wednesday from 10:30 to 11 until test day. Bring your lunch and practice answering actual ACT questions while learning test-taking strategies to help you achieve that graduation requirement.
AV Club will meet during the second half of lunch on Wednesday in room 2F 112.
Titan Dance Club will be hosting an interest meeting during practice Wednesday from 2 to 4 in the auditorium.
Do you like being involved with your school? Do you need service hours? Do you want to meet new people and make great friends? Do you want a graduation cord? Then plan to stop by and get involved and come learn about Rho Kappa is all about. Rho Kappa Social Honor Society will be holding an interest meeting for new members Wednesday after school in room 1C 107.
The UHS Film Society will be holding their interest meeting for all interested students this Thursday during lunch in Mr. Cope's room 1C 110.
University Anime Club will be having a meeting Friday, August 31st in Mr. Ogram's classroom 1A 307 at 3 o'clock p.m.
Science Olympiad will have an informational/interest meeting on Friday, August 31st after school in room 1A through 8. New members are welcome. Come and find out about our competitive club.
Yeah. Titans, make every single day count at the U. Follow the creed and have a fabulous day. And remember, Titans, it's all about the U.